You are going to love the 2026 Durango. The Durango allows you and your family to travel in style and comfort. It offers more interior room than most midsize SUVs and has an available third row of seating. Underneath are sturdy body-on-frame mechanicals and the option for a powerful V8 engine. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, power sunroof, alloy wheels, power liftgate, remote keyless entry, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, front license plate bracket. Experience the perfect harmony of comfort, safety, and performance.